how to replace a broken outlet. We're gonna need Sharpie, gloves, a new outlet, an outlet tester, wire cutters, a flathead screwdriver, and a Phillips head screwdriver. Take off the outlet cover. Plug the tester into the outlet. So it's on. I'm gonna turn off power at the breaker to the outlet. Power's off. Take out the screws that hold the outlet into the wall. Now we can pull the outlet out of the wall a little bit. Now take your wire cutters and we can cut the wires off where they connect to the outlet. I like to mark the top ones with a Sharpie just to keep them straight in the, knowing like which one's the top one and which one's the bottom one. Now strip off the end of the black and white wires. So sometimes like the holes that these wires plug into in the back of the outlet are not big enough, or the wire's too thick, and so then I'll wind them around the screws in the side of the outlet. But in this case the copper wire is thin enough, so we can just stick them in the back. And if you're ever unsure about like which side the wires go into, on the back it'll say hot wire and white wire. Black is always hot and white is white. So the outlet will tell you. And wind the ground wire around the little green screw at the bottom. Now we're going to take our Phillips head screwdriver. We could do it with a flat head, but it's easier to do with a Phillips. Let's test it like this, because sometimes it doesn't always work, and then you're wondering why it doesn't work, and you're going to take it back out of the wall and stuff. So we'll test it like this first. Breaker on, and the tester is also on, so we're working. Flathead and put the outlet cover back on. Like and subscribe.